today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a massive declutter of all of the reusable shopping bags because we have too many by about 1,000. Maybe a slight exaggeration, but we have way too many bags. Like literally we have, you'll see the pile in a minute. Anyway, I'm going to be doing that. Then after I finish that, I'm going to be moving on to some spooky season decorations. So some Halloweeny bits to decorate the place. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the beautiful autumn wreath that I got from my auntie for my birthday. It's absolutely fabulous. So I'm going to put that up as well. I'm going to kind of make it a little bit more spooky because the day this video launches, which should be the 1st of October, I think it's the 1st of October, it's Friday, anyway, I think it's the 1st of October, is the beginning of spooky season. So we're getting into the kind of Halloweeny bits and, you know, the more kind of spooky aspects. Seasonal decoration isn't really a big thing in Ireland. So it's very hard to get decorations for like autumn and stuff like that, kind of autumnal kind of stuff, but it's much easier to get like Halloween and stuff. So with that in mind, I have my beautiful autumn wreath and we're going to transition that into kind of Halloweeny stuff with a few little decorations I picked up. By the way, this decoration that I'm going to be doing is super budget friendly. All the decorations I got, I think cost, this year that I got was like under 10 euro for all the decorations I got. So just to give you guys some inspiration, some ideas for decorating for Halloween, stuff that's easy, quick and really budget friendly. I also have some of the decorations from last year that I picked up, just some low cost ones I got last year. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to get into this decluttering, get through this sorting, and for those of you who are waiting for it, part 4 of the garage video should be out next week. I was hoping to have it out this week, but just the way the week went and I was a little bit unwell for a couple of days, that kind of got delayed and then we didn't get it finished in time, unfortunately. But it should be out for next week. I just didn't want to give you guys a video that was kind of half done and half the kind of work done and just really short. So I said I'd put this video together because I'm doing the Halloween decorations anyway, because that's something I kind of want to get done now. So without further ado, let us get started. Okay guys, so I'm just going to get all these bags up on the table for you guys to see. But why? And we still buy more. But why? It really is spooky season. Okay guys, so the plan is to categorise like with like, mesh with mesh, these kind of heavy plastic with heavy plastic. Obviously some of them are like damaged or have holes, so they'll be going. And these ones here especially, you know, the reusable plastic ones. I'm not a big fan of these. I just find like that they, number one, they're plastic, which isn't great guys, but I want to recycle all these. But another hot tip for recycling that I think anyway is a good idea is, rather than throwing these away and recycling these, put these to one side now. Obviously only if this works for you and it's not just an excuse to hold on to them. But put these to the side, and then when you're going to the charity shop, use these to bring stuff to the charity shop or to your consignment store or whatever, rather than wasting reams and reams of black bags and, you know, rubbish bags or trash bags, or if you want to call them garbage bags. Use these instead. That way you're getting rid of them, someone else is getting use out of them. Because I know a lot of the charity shops and stuff, consignment stores, don't have a lot of their own bags. Well, they don't here anyway, so they find this stuff really helpful. So you're kind of helping everybody all around. But yeah, for right now, I'm just going to categorise everything into sections and we're going to go from there, and hopefully I'll get to the end of this pile of 5 million bags. So that horror film, what's it called? House of a Thousand Corpses. I haven't watched it guys, I don't recommend it. Unless you like horror, which guys go ahead. This is like House of a Thousand shopping bags. Spooky season! It's scary how many of these we have. Okay, I'm gonna get started sorting. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a while.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take it.
I'm gonna start this bag full of plastic.
Let's go, I'm sure you can take it.
Okay, so I've got fabric kind of mesh bags going in here. I got plastic.
it's way past sleep. Another cause that we
Just gonna put these kind of woven, smaller kind of. I'm gonna have these handbag bags like this here. For those of you who don't know, is actually a full-size shopping bag. So really handy for the purse, handbag, wallet. Well, not your wallet, your pocket, your key. Some people keep them in their keychains. They're bulky for me now, but whatever you like. So these kind of more fabric bags, that's all I'm putting here. He is here, he is present, he is supervising. He wanted to pop in and say hello, but my dad's in a different room. He's gonna head off to there. This one here is gonna be for these like heavy duty, basically this kind of bag, heavy duty, are all gonna go in here.
won't love you better.
And for anyone who's wondering, these ones here, in case you haven't seen them before, you probably have seen them a million times, but in case you haven't, these ones here are just the freezer bags. So I'll probably use one of them, probably this one here, to collect all of them.
If you don't mind, we will dance.
And I will be mixing mesh freezer with plastic freezer. It's also a freezer bag. Oh, plastic, hello. Because I don't have many freezer bags, so they can all go together.
Oh, hey, you, I know you can find someone better.
And I will go through, like, literally open up every single bag before I recycle, throw away, or go to the church. I'm not doing that now because I'm just trying to categorise. And also, 99% sure nearly all these are. This one probably will have to go because it's all ripped. So I don't know if it'll really seal. No, that won't seal. So there's all the plastic away. So that's a first one to go. I'll have to figure out if that can be recycled as well. So let's go. There's recycling bag. Oh yeah, these bags also, these like pull tie bags are separate category to themselves. And I'll be putting the plastic and fabric ones in the same bag for the, that's called drawstring bags. Put them all together. And these kind of style bags would be kind of the most common bags I'd use, so I'm going to have them in another separate category. It's a makeup bag.
Songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical.
This is currently the plastic bag situation, so I'm going to start a new plastic bag. And this here's the bag from my car. I want to point out that, guys, this is from my car, right? All of these. My dad does the grocery shopping. I don't. Do I do groceries? Occasionally, like 5 things, 10 things, but this is my bag, this is my car. I don't have a problem with shopping bags. So glad we're doing this.
Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I wanna still.
This one won't be going until there's holes in it. And no straps. Yes, I have a favourite shopping bag, okay? Judge away.
This could be magical. Wow. This could be magical. Wow.
I would usually consider these their own category, but I only have one left. The charity shop got a good few of them. So I'm just going to put it in with these bags essentially. And I'll show you, I'm just going to quickly run through what I'm left with. So I have a bag full of them. This bag full of these. Trying to match the outside bag to what's inside them as well, as much as I can. Freezer bags. These are fabric. And then these are mesh. What I'm thinking of is putting them all into this big bag. I can fit them all and then just put all the fabric and mesh together. Oh yeah, and what differentiates these ones here between these ones is these are just like little, they're very like slim bags. You don't fit much in them.
Towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater. I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me.
This is plastic bags. This is plastic bags. And this is recycling / rubbish. So let's bring you guys over closer to give you a better idea. Oh, and of course, sorry, drawstring bags. So to give you guys a better idea, we've got our large mesh bags, we've got our big shopping bags here, small mesh and fabric bags, freezer bags, plastic, rubbish. So all this here will be going. I'm really happy with that. Really happy with the way that turned out. Oh, it's falling. But yeah, overall I think we did good. So I'll just show you what, guys. Let's separate them so you guys can see what's left. So here's what's left. And here's what's going. So yeah, really good progress I think so far. So we're gonna move on now to the Halloween decorating.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand. And I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only.
Hey guys, so sorry today's video is a bit of a chaotic mess. We had somebody, a family friend, call over unexpectedly, so obviously I couldn't film for that little segment. But I also might look a bit different. My hair is wet as sure. I'm heading to my awesome cousin's 30th tonight. That's gonna be really good fun. That's at 7:30, so I'm kind of under time pressure today to get everything done. So if I'm a bit chaotic, I do apologise. I'm not trying to be, but we're gonna move on now to the Halloween, autumnal, more Halloween, let's be honest, spooky season decoration, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. I haven't done anything like this on my channel before, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. Hey guys, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the massive decluttering we did on the shopping bags, and I also hope you really enjoyed the Halloween decorate with me. I just tried some fun little new things out and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. Anyway, as always, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. Ring the notification bell and select all to be notified every time I launch a new video. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like down below. If you have any questions, queries about anything I did or anything I used in today's video, please drop it in the comments down below. As always, I hope you guys have an incredible rest of your Friday, a wonderful weekend, and an absolutely brilliant week ahead. And from myself and my Mexi and my supervisor, he doesn't know what's going on. I will talk to y'all soon. Okay, love y'all. Bye. Happy Halloween.